Miley Cyrus as the iceberg from Titanic, and how she affected a change in media. Starting out as a child Disney star and having a rock star father, Miley was introduced to the media world early, although it was not always the best of both worlds. Her character, Miley Stewart, was very influential and relatable to young girls during the runtime of Hannah Montana. Kids everywhere started having dreams about living a double life and becoming a rock star while still staying down to earth thanks to this Disney hit. Miley's fans stuck with her after her Disney run ended and continued to be influenced by her for years to come. Miley's music changed a lot after she left Disney behind. Her past kiddie bop hits were traded in for more edgy and controversial topics as she aged. Her music started to be an ode to how she was suddenly so grown up and couldn't be kept in the Disney box, hinted at in Can't Be Tamed. Miley dove even deeper as raunchier and more adult music was to follow. Her album, Bangers, really hit the media by storm. One may even say, like a wrecking ball. Miley's past fan base dwindled from her controversial music, but she was also thriving in the rebellion. She came in like a wrecking ball and thus was wrecking her reputation. Lots of parents disliked Miley's reputation during the wrecking ball era, and they tried hard to push their children away from her music. Her die-hard fans from her old Disney days seemed to stick around, as a lot of that age group was also experiencing a rebellious kick at the time. Her unruly style's influence on media and teenage attitude acted like the iceberg that sent the Titanic to the bottom of the Atlantic. Miley Cyrus really threw the music world for a loop as she was growing up in the spotlight and acting like a catalyst in the young minds. Miley's music has since simmered down as she is getting older and is no longer in her rebellious phase. She has really created a new sound for herself with new hits like Malibu. Miley Cyrus not only was a catalyst for the media world due to music, but also due to her past relationships, like the one with Liam Hemsworth, whom she just separated from. She overall was just the tip of the iceberg away from being a huge impact on the media, even as she is today.